A tragic train accident occurred in Balasore, Odisha, which deeply saddened the entire nation. Regrettably, over 260 precious lives were lost, and approximately 1,000 individuals sustained injuries. There was 3 trains, Coromandel Express, Power Superfast Express, and 1 goods train. However, on the 2nd of June, a tragic incident occurred in Odisha. There were 4 tracks, including an up main line and a down main line. From up main line Coromandel Express was arriving, and from down main line Howrah Superfast Express. Actually, both these trains could easily cross each other, but suddenly the Coromandel Express left the up main line and went on the loop line and collapsed with a goods train standing there and derailed. Some of its coaches derailed and collapsed with another train which was coming from the down main line. The incident serves as a somber reminder of the importance of safety measures and adherence to protocols in the railway system. As a nation, we stand together in solidarity, offering support and comfort to those affected by this heartbreaking event. May this tragedy serve as a catalyst for renewed efforts to enhance railway safety and prevent such devastating incidents in the future.